This is John of Art, and this is my 49th year. Happy birthday to me. And let's talk about an Ilonggo word for birthday. It's kaadlawan from the root word adlaw, which is day, and the birthday, of course, is kaadlawan. Just add a prefix and a suffix. And there you have it, birthday. So I'm now 49 years old. Nothing has changed. I'm still the same me. I chose to be with nature as I celebrate 7 times 7 years in this earth. Thank you so much for all this. Salamat. Thank you very much for this momentous turning point of my life. So thank you very much. This is just a short birthday message to document this turning point. Thank you, salamat sa ininga kaadlawan. Happy birthday to me.